everybody, today we are with Uncle Arabin. He is a ball python snake breeder.
This is a snake breeding facility. We house them like this so it's easy to maintain and keeps them clean and happy. So do you see the tags that we have here? All these tags that we have all over the snake tubs? Those are all the snake names.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't count.
There is 280 snakes in this room.
Wow, so many. Why all the snakes are doing here? What is they are doing?
Okay, we keep them here to breed them to make baby snakes.
Why do you need a baby snake?
So we can keep them as pets. We can make nicer and more beautiful snakes.
When you have too many pet snakes, how?
I can never have too many pet snakes because I like them so much. I can have as many as I want. So a lot of people mistaken wildlife and exotic pets as the same thing. It's not. These exotic pets are basically rare and less people keep it. That's why they call exotic. So these animals do not come from the wild. They are captive bred for many generations already. Yes, the original specimens came from the wild, but that was a long time ago. If you think about it, even dogs were originally bred from wild dogs and domesticated over time. Every single animal has been like that. So this now is not a wild animal. It's not a wild animal, it's an exotic pet. They do not survive in the wild even if you go to release them into the wild. So that's the misconception that everybody has. So I hope that, with this kind of videos and people get more exposure, they learn more about this. And do you see the tags here? That's the name of the snake and the identification number. This is how we know which snake is, whether we keep record whether the snake ate last week or not, and things like that. Males have 2 tags. So we move the males to the females, so the tag moves with them. So we can keep track where the males are, and later after they have done pairing, we remove and put them back into their own tub and the tag moves back together. Okay, my favorite snake is the one over there. Let me come and show you. This one.
Oh, I like it too. That's my favorite snake too.
You like it? You like the color?
Yeah, I like the color. It looks like this one. Vanilla and chocolate on the ice cream.
He is about 5 years old. How old are you?
8. I'm 8.
You're 8. So it's a little bit younger than you.
9. I'm
2 years old.
5 years old and a half.
So it's the same age as you.
Yeah.
So this kind of color morphs do not exist in the wild. In the jungle we don't have it. Can you hold him? Yeah. So we take different colors of snakes and we breed them together to get this kind of colors.
Yeah. This was a baby from 2 of...
Yes. Do you want to see their parents?
Where?
Let me show you their parents. Come. Okay, so this is his mommy and this is his daddy. The mommy is a pastel and the daddy is a calico spider. So we get calico spider pastel. So you can see he's white like his dad, but his hair is more yellow and the white has gone a lot more nicer on him. So this is his parents. You like this one?
I like this.
What would you name that snake, Luna?
I don't know.
What does it look like?
I will name him Chocolate and Vanilla Ice Cream.
Okay, so the original people who first made this morph, they call it a pipe ball, so they get to name it. Whoever makes the snake new type of snake for the first time, they get to name what they want to name it, and everybody will follow it. So this is a leopard pipe ball python.
It looks like everyone washed off all his colors.
I'll show you how we weigh snakes to check whether they are healthy. This fish is almost 1.4 kg. So we breed them at about 1.6 kg, so this one is not ready to breed yet. But this snake is healthy, is eating well, so should be ready soon. So we weigh them to check whether they are healthy, their weight is increasing properly as how they should, and also to make sure whether they're ready to breed.
How do you know he's a boy?
Okay, so how we see a boy or a girl is by popping them. So when we pop them like that, you see?
Ew!
That's the hemipins. So that's how we know it's a boy. If it doesn't have that, then it's a girl.
That's a tutu tail. It's a boy.
Yes, it is. This is a girl snake, this is a female. So we'll pop this and I'll show you. Huh? You see, there's nothing that comes out.
Except for one that's a tiny thing.
Yeah, this tiny thing is different. This is a scent gland. Show you now, you see. When you pop them, they don't have that two long red color things anymore.
He's peeing.
Yeah, it's peeing. So you saw the difference already?
If you enjoyed the video, please support us by pressing the like button below. Also, do consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell notification icon.